moving on to our next big story of the day. Controversial leader of Dera Sacha Sauda, Ram Rahim, was granted a 21-day furlough while serving a 20-year sentence for the rape of two female disciples at his ashram in Sirsa. Now remember, the repeated paroles and furloughs given to the Dera chief had been challenged in the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Today's release on furlough comes days after the High Court disposed of a petition that challenged the grant of temporary release to him. I'm joined in now by my colleague Lalit, who's reporting from Amritsar on this. Lalit, a very good afternoon to you. What do you think? Has Ram Rahim really benefited from the several loopholes in the CBI investigation? Another furlough coming to him now.
Well, if we talk about the Dera Sacha Sauda chief, Ram Rahim has once again been granted the 21 days furlough. It has been granted according to the jail manual for his good conduct. But if you talk about it, has once again coincided with the upcoming Haryana Vidhan Sabha polls, which is going to be in October this year. But it has been challenged in the Punjab and Haryana High Court. But 21 days furlough has been granted to the Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim. Earlier, also during the starting of the year, he was granted a 50-day long parole, for which he has gone to the Baghpat ashram in Uttar Pradesh. Today, early in the morning, around 6:30 a.m., he was released from the Sunaria jail in Rohtak. So once again, the timings have been coincided, and once again, now the opposition are asking questions for the ruling government. But he has been granted the 21-day furlough for his good conduct. Other than that, if we talk about, he was taken from the Sunaria jail with full security to the Uttar Pradesh ashram in Baghpat, and he was being convoyed by high security as he has a threat from the Khalistani people. He is already serving 20 years in jail for the rape of the two disciples in Sirsa, for which he has been granted 20 years of jail. But once again, he has been granted 21 days of furlough. Yeah, well, back to the studio.